If you're on the lookout for a fresh way to level up your resume or make your college applications glow, then dive into internships. Internships are the golden ticket to gaining some hands-on work experience in a wide range of professions and fields. Not only will you acquire invaluable skills, but you'll also form genuine connections that can open doors to incredible opportunities. So if you're down, I've got a few ideas to jumpstart your search. On your way in, be sure to tap the like, subscribe, and notification bell to stay up to date when we drop new content. First on the list, Second Day, a platform focused on creating social impact by connecting diverse young talent with opportunities in nonprofits. They're on a mission to build a future generation of change makers, including nonprofit CEOs, social entrepreneurs, and activists. With internships and fellowships available throughout the year, they're the go-to for those ready to make a difference. Join Second Day and be a part of the movement for long-lasting change. Have you heard of Handshake yet? It's the ultimate platform for college students seeking jobs and outstanding internships. With its direct company connections, you can explore internships, job listings, and engage with employers and alumni from your school. Join now with your college email address, complete your profile, and dive into a fully gated platform exclusively for college students and recent graduates. If you're in college, don't miss out on this free resource. Passionate about making a difference in your community? Check out Idealist, the ultimate platform for searching internships. Idealist is exclusively dedicated to the nonprofit and social services sector, offering job, internship, and volunteer opportunities. No sign-up is necessary, but you can create a free account to save your favorite opportunities. Simply enter your city and explore the internships available in your area. Say what's up to Way Up, the go-to platform for college students and recent graduates in search of job and internship opportunities. Not only does Way Up offer a plethora of career advice, but it also allows you to connect directly with top employers. Similar to Handshake, Way Up is a gated platform, meaning you'll need to register and create a profile to access internship and job listings. The best part, you don't need a college email address to sign up. Anyone can join. Once your profile is complete, you'll gain access to a personalized dashboard filled with tailored jobs and internships that align with your profile. Don't forget to pay a visit to your campus career center. Not only can they assist you with resume polishing and interview prep, but many career centers also offer fantastic online job and internship boards tailored to your major or interest. They often have insider connections with employers, meaning they can inform you about exclusive internship and job opportunities available specifically to students at your school. Best of all, this invaluable resource is completely free, so make sure to head over to your school's career center. Introducing Job Launch, an awesome free tool for finding entry-level jobs and internships right in your area. Get ready for a seamless experience as you embark on your job search journey. Simply click the button below to access Job Launch, enter your zip code, and unlock a world of great opportunities waiting for you. If you're looking for an internship right now, be sure to use our Job Launch tool. Submit your resume to us for feedback and text #jobs to 335577. Click here if you're using a mobile device so our job advisors can get you the help and experience you want. I'm Ajiro, and I'll see you next time. Peace.